Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix transparent rectangle box appear above the taskbar in Windows 11 screen. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your personalization. After that, go to your taskbar and make sure that the task view is turned off. Now, if it is unable, then turn off it and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After opening that, scroll down and find out Windows Explorer. So select a Windows Explorer, click restart it. After restarting that, close it, and I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click, go to your task manager. After doing this step, find out if any file run with the name of .exe, select it and click on end task. So after that, after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.